Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something truly special, making your pregnancy journey unforgettable. Pregnancy is such a beautiful, fleeting time in a woman's life, and it deserves to be celebrated every step of the way. So whether you're a first-time mom-to-be or adding another little one to your beautiful family, I'm excited to share some creative and fun ideas to make these next few months truly special. Let's get started. Y'all, pregnancy is a time to feel radiant and beautiful, and what better way to capture that glow than with a stunning photo shoot? Think about what makes you feel your best. Maybe it's a flowy dress in a field of wildflowers or something more intimate and cozy at home. Find a photographer who understands your vision and can create images that you'll treasure for years to come. It's all about capturing that love and connection as you prepare to welcome your little one. So, let your hair down, have some fun, and don't be afraid to show off that beautiful bump. You're glowing, mama! There's something so amazing about watching your body change and grow throughout pregnancy. And what better way to document this transformation than with monthly belly photos? Find a spot in your home with good natural light, maybe near a window, and snap a photo each month in the same outfit. You can even use a letterboard or chalkboard to mark the weeks or write a sweet message to your little one. As you look back on these photos, you'll be amazed at how much your body has changed and grown to accommodate that precious life inside you. It's a beautiful reminder of the journey you've been on. The most important thing is to have fun and capture those precious milestones. Pregnancy is a time of incredible emotional and physical changes, and sometimes the best way to process it all is to put pen to paper. Keeping a pregnancy journal is a beautiful way to document your thoughts, feelings, and experiences during this special time. Don't overthink it, y'all. Just grab a notebook that speaks to you and start writing. Jot down anything that comes to mind, whether it's the excitement of feeling your baby's first kicks, the anxieties you might be facing, or even just funny cravings you're experiencing. You can even use it to write letters to your little one, sharing your hopes and dreams for their future. Years from now, you'll be so grateful to have this tangible record of your pregnancy journey. Now let's talk about celebrating with your loved ones. A baby shower is the perfect excuse to gather your closest friends and family and shower the mom-to-be with love and adorable baby gear. But y'all, it doesn't have to be your typical baby shower with the same old games. Let's get creative and have some fun. Think about incorporating games that reflect your personality and interests. Maybe you're a foodie and want to do a blind taste test of baby food. The key is to keep it lighthearted and engaging. You want everyone laughing and having a good time. And don't forget about the prizes. Little gifts or treats for the winners always add to the fun. Most importantly, remember that a baby shower is about celebrating this special time with the people you love most. All right, mamas, let's talk fashion. Just because you're pregnant doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. These days, there are so many amazing options to choose from. Whether you're looking for comfortable everyday wear, chic dresses, or even stylish workout gear. The key is to find pieces that make you feel confident and beautiful. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles, colors, and patterns. Embrace those curves and show them off. And remember, comfort is key. Look for fabrics that are soft, breathable, and will grow with you throughout your pregnancy. You deserve to look and feel your best during this incredible time. Before your little one arrives, it's so important to carve out some quality time with your partner. A baby moon is the perfect way to reconnect, relax, and recharge before you embark on the wild ride of parenthood. Now, a baby moon doesn't have to be a lavish, far-flung vacation. It can be something as simple as a weekend getaway to a cozy cabin in the woods or a staycation at a nice hotel in your city. The most important thing is to choose a destination that allows you both to unwind, de-stress, and focus on each other. This is your time to reconnect, reminisce about your journey so far, and savor those last few moments as a family of two. So, go ahead and book that trip. You deserve a little pampering and relaxation before your life gets a whole lot busier. There's something so special about creating something handmade for your little one. Now, you don't have to be a crafting expert to create some beautiful and meaningful pieces for your baby. There are so many easy DIY projects out there, from no-sew blankets to adorable mobiles to personalized wall art. Think about what kind of style you want for your nursery, and let that guide your crafting. These handmade creations will not only add a personal touch to your baby's world, but they'll also become treasured keepsakes for years to come. All right, y'all, it's time to share your exciting news with the world. Announcing your pregnancy is a special moment, and there are so many creative and fun ways to do it. Think about your personality and what feels authentic to you. Maybe you want to do a sweet and simple announcement on social media with a photo of your ultrasound picture. Or perhaps you want to get more creative with a fun photo shoot, or even a personalized video. If you're announcing to close friends and family, consider a more personal touch. You could send out cute announcement cards or bake a batch of "We're pregnant" cookies. The most important thing is to have fun with it and let your excitement shine through. This is a joyous occasion, and your loved ones will be over the moon to celebrate with you. Well, mamas, I hope these ideas have inspired you to make your pregnancy journey truly unforgettable. Remember, it's all about embracing those little moments, celebrating this incredible time, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So soak it all in, mama. You're glowing. And don't forget to come back for more tips and ideas on everything from motherhood to home decor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and ideas from your channel name.